Hello, I want to show you how you can update your CRM with any new message that's coming from your customers through WhatsApp. So let me show you a very simple CRM that I have here with the name of the lead, their phone number, and here's where we're going to have the conversation, like the summary of like the conversation between you guys and the customer, okay? So imagine I have a form, all right? Let me just refresh this here. I'm going to put the name of the customer and my phone number, all right? And I'm going to submit this form. Now this is going to create an entry, as you can see now in my CRM, all right? And now this message has arrived from this. Oh, sorry, I need to run this here. So I'm going to receive a message now on my WhatsApp. Oh, let me see if I have something. All right, so we can see here I've received the message here. Okay, we have with the variable, like I've sent a template message after the person has filled out a form with the template, okay? Now, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you how you can actually edit, you can get the conversation paragraph into your CRM, all right? What we're gonna do is, besides having this welcome message that we send to the user to kind of add them to the CRM, what we're gonna do is we have a module called Notifier System New Message from Recipient. This happens instantly. So the moment someone writes, so if you have a scenario that starts with this, the moment someone writes to your WhatsApp number, it will trigger a WhatsApp. It will trigger a Zapier scenario or a Make scenario, could be anything. In my case, the moment I have someone write to me on my WhatsApp, this will trigger that it searches my CRM for someone with this phone number, okay? So in my case, one of the parameters that we give you is the phone number. So I've put it here as a variable. It searches in a complex formula for the phone number. You can see here that we give you the phone number here, among us other things. And then the last thing we're going to do is we're going to update the CRM. Now we give you something that's very cool, especially made for CRMs, AIs, all these kind of things, which is the conversation paragraph. One of the variables we give you the moment someone writes to your WhatsApp is this thing called the conversation paragraph, which basically puts together all the conversation between you guys and the customer together, and you can just use it, okay? So I've put the variable here. Now what we are gonna see is I'm going to reply here, so let me just make sure it's all published here. I think it is. So now, the moment I'm going to reply to this bot saying, "Hi, I would love to buy a car," then this will trigger this scenario here on Zapier. Let me just go, we can go here to the history, see if it has already run. So we can see it has run here. And now if we go to the CRM, magically, in the conversation, we can see, we call it, I've been testing this before making the video. So we call it the conversation between the bot and the user. So we can see that the user said, "Hi, I would love to buy a car," at 4:34 p.m. and that the bot said at 4:32, "Hi Axel, we like whatever you wanted to say, like whatever the template message was." So you can see a full conversation between the bot and the user, updating right away anytime here. So that's a very quick way. I know I've been talking now for 3 minutes, but that's a very quick way of updating your CRM with the conversation the moment it happens. If you have any questions or would love to know more, let me know. We can schedule a call. Thank you and have a great day.